Anyone ever done anything without completely having a well thought out plan ahead of time? This is what I did that I had absolutely no plan for. You can see we are working at where I started inside of my one car little shed at my house. And this is after I left the dealership. A lot of people probably think I left the dealership with the intention of starting a shop, which I mean, I kind of did, but I didn't really have a plan for it. I went home and you can see the size of this shop here. Me and Jake went to the house and started building transmissions, doing cam phasers, and we were pretty much overrun with work. Right off the bat, I appreciate you guys for that, but this is where we started inside of this small garage. We're building a 6R140 here, and when I left the dealer, I did not have a plan at all. I went home and pretty much just went to work. It was somewhat difficult at first, having to learn and do a lot of the things that I had not done before, like obtaining parts and dealing with each and every individual customer. So there definitely was a lot of roadblocks, but I really just wanted to make this video showing you guys, you know, what I was doing. And this is not even that long ago. This is less than a year ago. I was in this little, 30 by 20 shed. It's not even a shop. It doesn't even have a garage door big enough for a vehicle to fit through hardly. And this is where we were working. We were making our living right here, and we have since upgraded a little bit, but I just want to make this video telling anybody out there that is thinking about, making that leap, taking that jump. You don't need a plan. Just do it. You will 100% figure it out along the way. The hardest step in the entire process is just taking the step. Just taking the step. I know I see so many people that are scared to jump out there. So this is my way of telling you guys, don't be scared. Jump out there. I promise you guys, you will not regret it.